here again. So this is my 1996 EP91 Toyota Starlet. So yeah guys, this is it. This is my Toyota Starlet, and I've been driving for this car nearly 2 years, and I started to learn how to drive manual. It's super fun to drive. It feels like it's like a go-kart. I love this car so much. And so I've done a few modify with this, and I've done DIY lip kit. So I bought a garden engine from Bunnings and just bought this train and painted it as a black. And yeah, I painted this black as well to try to make matching. Side skirt as well, I chucked some garden edging, and looks like a little bit low. Cheap to make it modified. And I painted rocker cover as well. I swapped the pop filter, and I swapped the wheels, tire wheels, and I got the LED Illumo lights. So I swapped the shift knob and shift boot from EP82, and looks super cool, nice and clean. Changed to a straight pipe. Thanks to Accent Tag, they did an amazing job. So basically, they cut off the muffler and chuck some bigger pipe. So it looks really tough. And I painted the panel. I had an accident long time ago, and the whole panel was smashed. I was so disappointed, and I wasn't sure what to do. No. So I just decided to, let's swap the door and paint it. Luckily, my partner had another Starlet, and the door was red. So what I did was sand it, and then paint it. And looks really clean and looks like a brand new. So I'm super happy with that. So I swapped the rear beam axle. What happened was wheel bearing was welded itself to the axle, so I couldn't take it out of the part. And so I decided to swap whole axle. Apparently, with this car, you can't just remove the step axle. You have to replace whole rear beam axle. So I decided to go to a pickup car store and found another Starlet and just swap the parts. And yeah, and looks like it's driving fine. And I've never done before, and I was a bit nervous, but that was easy enough to do it. And my partner Jake helps me out a little bit. So that was like a really fun project to me. That was really good. So that's it. Hopefully one day I can bring this car to track days and see how much this car can go. But also in Toge, especially at downhills, it's just super fun, and it feels like really fast. It feels like I'm like Takuma kind of vibes. So I want to drive more, maybe bring to a mountain, a little bit of mountain runs. Also, in case you guys wondering, where's my Bluey? Well, my Bluey is in the mechanic, and she had a few issues, and unfortunately I couldn't figure out how to fix it. And John from Tailwheel Automotive, he's done an amazing job, and he told me that she's running well, and hopefully in next a week or so, in 2 weeks, I can bring her back home. when she comes back, I'm gonna post another video and show you guys how much what he's done, and just talk about Bluey again and my plan as well. So yeah, just a little bit update.